My name is Kiati, I'm head of Joshi Advocates. Thank you very much for joining us in this video. Home Office reopens. So in the next 5 minutes, we will run through what's open, what's closed, and how we move forward. So what's closed, two things that are still closed as far as immigration law is concerned is the Home Office Further Submissions Unit in Liverpool, closed. But if you want to submit your further submissions, email the Home Office. Email address is on their website. And two, reporting centres are still closed. So the reporting has been put on hold. Now, to the exciting news, what's open? Great news, the biometric centres are open. So if you were waiting to book your biometric appointment for a pending application, that can be done from the 1st of June. However, it's limited capacity. So not as many appointments as before. So look out for that. Two, the EU Settlement Scheme Contact Centre has opened, so call them if you want for an update. So that's excellent news as well. EU Settlement Scheme applications can also be put where the applicant does not have a biometric passport and does not have a biometric residence permit. Instead, that applicant can post their ID. This option is available very recently, so that's very good news as well. Now, Home Office is considering applications that are online and are submitted, even if the biometrics haven't been enrolled. So if you have, for example, an application for extension, submit the application for extension of leave to remain, and it's up to the Home Office when they would book your appointment for biometric, because it's outside the applicant's control. Now, very good news for those in the UK and unable to return to the country of nationality because of coronavirus. Home Office has said that until 31st of July, the visas are extended. That's great. Just on the same level as that, if someone is in the UK, for instance, on a visit visa, but had plans to marry, they can put their application in the UK on the spouse route upon marriage before 31st of July, because Home Office is saying that long-term visa routes applications normally require entry clearance. Those applications can be made in country. So that's excellent, of course, before 31st July, as far as the policy stands now. And finally, if you are resident in the UK en route to settlement and your application needs to be made for extension, do make it and submit it online. Because that would allow the Home Office to know that you've made an application, you've paid them, you've done everything in your control, and the rest is up to the Home Office in the process they would carry out once the biometric centres have more availability for appointments. So that's great. That's the update so far. Excellent news that things are moving on. We are en route to progress, and the applications and everything being dealt with more efficiently, so less deadlock and delay. Thank you so much for joining. As always, subscribe, contact me details below, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Take care.